What if the reason you wake up feeling completely exhausted with a heavy brain fog that refuses to clear has nothing to do with how many hours you slept? Right now, deep inside your cells, there is a tiny biological light switch that was designed to burn fuel and keep your blood sugar clean while you rest. But in millions of people today, that switch is silently stuck in the off position. By the time this video ends, you are going to understand your daily energy and metabolism in a way nobody ever explained to you in school. We are going to explore the remarkable science behind a specific rainforest bark extract, discovering how ancient botanical compounds can flip your cellular master switch back on, transforming how your body processes energy overnight without forcing you into extreme starvation protocols. To understand why your body struggles to clear sugar from your blood, we first have to take a look at what actually happens inside your muscles and liver after you finish eating. When you consume food, your body breaks it down into glucose, which enters your bloodstream like a fleet of delivery trucks carrying fuel. In a healthy system, your cells open their doors wide and take that fuel in immediately to be converted into clean energy. But in the modern world, after years of constant snacking, chronic stress, and processed foods, your cellular doors start to lock up from the inside. This condition is what scientists call insulin resistance, but you can think of it like a rusty lock on a front door. The delivery trucks keep arriving outside, the blood sugar piles up in your bloodstream, and your pancreas gets forced to pump out more and more insulin just to push the door open. When your bloodstream is constantly overflowing with unused sugar and high insulin, your body receives a continuous signal that it is in energy storing mode. It becomes biologically impossible to burn stored body fat because insulin acts like a heavy iron vault door that locks your fat reserves away. You end up feeling completely drained of energy, even though you have thousands of calories stored right around your waistline. Most people try to solve this problem by relying on sheer willpower, cutting calories down to extreme levels, or spending hours doing exhausting cardio exercises. While movement is wonderful, these aggressive approaches often backfire because an overstressed body simply raises cortisol, which causes your liver to dump even more glucose into your blood. You end up trapped in a frustrating cycle of fatigue, hunger, and metabolic standstill. This is where indigenous botanical knowledge and modern molecular biology converge in a truly fascinating way. Deep inside the dense canopy of the Amazon basin, certain ancient trees have developed thick, resilient inner bark layers to protect themselves from intense humidity, fungal parasites, and harsh environmental pressures. To survive, these trees synthesize unique botanical compounds that possess extraordinary biological activity. Among these extraordinary trees is the Pau de Arco, known scientifically as Tabebuia impetigonosa, along with other specialized rainforest species rich in dense polyphenolic bark compounds. For generations, native healers harvested only the thin inner layer of this bark, brewing it into dark, concentrated teas used to restore vitality, combat systemic inflammation, and rebuild physical strength in individuals suffering from deep physical exhaustion. When modern biochemists finally isolated the active constituents inside this inner bark extract, they discovered a unique naphthoquinone compound known as beta-lapicone. When this specific molecule enters your human body, it triggers an enzyme called NQO1, which rapidly transforms your cellular energy balance by increasing the vital ratio of NAD+ to NADH inside your mitochondria, effectively recharging your cellular batteries. This sudden shift in cellular energy balance activates a critical protein kinase known as AMPK, often called the master metabolic switch of the human body. AMPK is the exact same survival pathway that gets turned on when you complete a long fast or run an intense marathon. When AMPK wakes up, it tells your cells to stop storing fat and immediately start burning up excess glucose for raw power. Think of AMPK like an intelligent building manager inside your body. When the building manager notices that energy is low or that trash has accumulated in the hallways, it immediately turns off unnecessary decorative lights, unlocks the storage rooms, and sends in a cleaning crew to clear out the clutter. That cellular cleanup process is what scientists call autophagy, and it is essential for long-term health. What makes rainforest bark compounds like beta-lactone and condensed tannic polyphenols so remarkable is that they can stimulate AMPK activation while you sleep. During deep night hours, when your digestion is quiet and your muscles are completely relaxed, these active constituents allow your cells to pull glucose out of your bloodstream without requiring massive amounts of insulin, restoring smooth insulin sensitivity overnight. In clinical studies investigating root and bark extracts rich in polyphenolic compounds, researchers observed a significant improvement in post-meal blood sugar levels and markers of systemic inflammation. By inhibiting enzymes that break down complex sugars too quickly in the gut and enhancing cellular sugar uptake, these natural extracts help smooth out the dangerous sugar spikes that damage your blood vessels. When your blood sugar stabilizes during the night, something wonderful happens to your sleep architecture. Most people who wake up at 3 in the morning with a racing heart are not having a bad dream. They're experiencing a nocturnal blood sugar crash. When sugar drops too low, your adrenal glands panic and release cortisol and adrenaline to save your brain, jolting you wide awake in the dark. By keeping your metabolic furnace burning steadily throughout the night, rainforest bark compounds prevent those emergency adrenal spikes. You stay anchored in deep, restorative, slow-wave sleep, which is the precise phase when your brain cleanses metabolic waste products through the glymphatic system, and your pituitary gland releases natural growth hormone to repair tired tissues. As your overnight insulin levels finally drop into a healthy baseline range, your liver gets the clear signal that it's safe to burn visceral fat. Visceral fat is that stubborn, dangerous fat stored deep around your internal organs, and it produces inflammatory chemicals that keep your body stuck in a state of low-grade swelling. Clearing this internal fat is the key to shrinking your waistline. The second major transformation you experience is a dramatic reduction in brain fog and daytime brain fatigue. Your brain uses up nearly 20% of your body's total energy, but when your brain cells become insulin resistant, they literally starve in the middle of plenty. Resensitizing your neural receptors allows glucose to enter your brain cells smoothly, restoring sharp mental clarity. It is essential to realize that incorporating a natural botanical extract like rainforest inner bark into your daily routine is not about replacing healthy habits or expecting a single cup of tea to fix decades of poor diet overnight. Botanical medicine works as an amplifier for your lifestyle, creating a biological environment where your healthy choices actually yield visible, lasting results. Let's take a practical look at how to properly select and utilize rainforest bark extracts for maximum metabolic impact. When shopping for botanicals like Pau d'Arco or French maritime pine bark, quality and sourcing are everything. Many cheap commercial products use the outer bark, which contains mostly inactive woody fiber, rather than the nutrient-dense inner bark layer where active lapicones and polyphenols reside.
Traditional preparation methods emphasize simmering the raw inner bark powder or wood shavings in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes, a process known as a decoction. Because the active quinone compounds are dense and resilient, a simple short steep in warm water will not extract the therapeutic constituents. Decoction breaks down the tough plant walls, releasing the active compounds into a potent golden red liquid. For optimal metabolic benefits, consuming a small cup of warm bark decoction about 30 to 45 minutes after your evening meal can significantly temper postprandial blood sugar spikes. This allows the active polyphenols to interact with digestive enzymes in your gut, slowing down carb absorption while signaling your cells to prepare for overnight AMPK activation. However, to allow this botanical strategy to work its full magic, you must combine it with simple, high-leverage daily habits that reinforce cellular insulin sensitivity. The single most effective habit you can build alongside herbal extract intake is a brief 10-minute walk immediately following your largest meal of the day. When your leg muscles contract during a light walk after eating, they physically pull glucose straight out of your blood through a specialized mechanism that does not require insulin at all. Pairing post-meal movement with rainforest bark active compounds creates a powerful double-action effect, clearing blood sugar before it ever has the chance to be stored as body fat. Another vital habit for protecting your metabolic switch is respecting your body's natural nighttime eating window. Eating heavy snacks late at night keeps your insulin elevated right when your body is supposed to be transitioning into cellular repair mode. Closing your kitchen 2 to 3 hours before bedtime allows your nighttime AMPK activation to run completely uninterrupted. We must also address the massive role that chronic mental stress plays in ruining your metabolic health. When you sit in traffic or stress over work deadlines, your body releases cortisol, which signals your liver to dump stored glycogen into your blood as sugar. Even if you haven't eaten a single gram of sugar, chronic stress can keep your blood glucose elevated all day long. What makes natural rainforest botanicals so fascinating is that they remind us how deeply interconnected human biology is with the natural world. For thousands of years, native Amazonian communities maintained remarkable physical stamina and lean physiques, supported by an intimate understanding of forest plants long before modern laboratories existed. Today, science is simply putting chemical names to ancient wisdom. As your body begins to exit chronic insulin resistance over several weeks of consistent care, you will notice a series of positive shifts across your physical health. Your afternoon energy crashes will start to disappear, replaced by a smooth, dependable stamina that stays steady from the moment you wake up until you get back into bed at night. Your cravings for refined carbohydrates and constant sugar hits will naturally fade away. When your cells are finally able to take in glucose and produce clean ATP energy, your brain stops firing emergency hunger signals that force you to search for quick snacks every 2 hours. You regain full control over your food choices effortlessly. For women, improving insulin sensitivity is often the single most powerful step toward balancing reproductive hormones. High insulin levels stimulate the ovaries to produce excess androgens, which can lead to irregular cycles, stubborn acne, and conditions like PCOS. Restoring smooth metabolic health creates the biological foundation needed for hormonal harmony. For men, lowering fasting insulin and clearing visceral fat is direct fuel for natural testosterone production. Excess body fat contains high concentrations of the aromatase enzyme, which converts testosterone into estrogen. By activating AMPK and burning internal fat reserves, men often experience a noticeable surge in physical strength, muscle recovery, and drive. As with any potent botanical extract, respecting your individual bio-individuality is essential. If you are currently taking prescription blood thinners or diabetes medications like insulin or metformin, you should always consult a knowledgeable healthcare provider before introducing concentrated bark decoctions, as they can enhance the blood sugar-lowering effects of your medication. Start your journey gradually by introducing a mild bark tea decoction 2 to 3 times a week. Listen closely to how your body responds, paying attention to your sleep quality, digestive comfort, and morning energy levels as your cellular machinery slowly adapts to the active botanical compounds. Remember that true metabolic health is not about searching for a magic bullet that lets you ignore basic biological needs. It's about working in partnership with your body, using nature's most sophisticated plant compounds to help restore the natural balance that modern life has gradually disrupted.
The modern world is filled with artificial light, processed foods, and constant stress that conspire to keep your cellular switches turned off. But by understanding the simple biological levers that control your metabolism, you gain the power to break free from chronic fatigue and reclaim your health from the inside out. Take a moment today to reflect on what your body is trying to communicate through its daily symptoms. Fatigue, sugar cravings, and stubborn weight are not signs that your body is failing you. They are simply cries for help from cells that are desperately seeking the right biological conditions to thrive. When you supply your cells with clean nutrients, daily movement, proper rest, and targeted botanical support from ancient rainforest barks, your metabolism responds with incredible speed and resilience. Your health is your most valuable asset, and nature has provided the exact tools needed to protect it. If you stayed until this point in the video, it shows that you are truly committed to understanding your own biology rather than settling for superficial, quick fixes. You now possess the knowledge to take control of your metabolic health and flip your cellular master switch back on using proven natural protocols. If you found value in this deep dive into rainforest botanical science, hit the subscribe button for DMMR, because on this channel, we will continue pulling back the curtain on the hidden biological facts, ancient remedies, and modern science that allow you to live with unshakable energy and total vitality.